At Move AI, we're all about supporting our customer with technology, but we know it's not just about technology. We know it takes a lot to grow a successful NEMT fleet. One of the tips that we'd like to share with you today is about getting higher value trips. If you can make more money per trip, it's better than getting more trips. Let's make more margin per trip. And there's two ways that you can do that. One, you can reduce your costs by economizing, maybe getting some operational efficiencies like what Move AI can offer you with our route optimization software. Or two, you can win higher value trips. So get paid more for a trip. And the way you do that is by being able to offer more specialized services. Maybe that's through driver training, or maybe it's by offering a customized vehicle and customized equipment. So I wanted to introduce you guys to Ed from Broda, who has got the Traversa, which is really cool. And I wanted to share with you guys because I just think it's a super solution. You get this chair, stretcher, Ed will tell you about it now, and you can charge more for your trips. It's a no-brainer. It pays itself back over time. So Ed, tell me a little bit about yourself, about Broda, and about Traversa.
Absolutely. I've been with Broda for about 4 years now, and it's been really exciting working with our newest product, which is the Traversa by Broda.
Ta-da!
This chair right here is actually a stretcher alternative. In situations where you can't use a stretcher, but the patient can't do a regular wheelchair, we're able to bridge this huge gap in service where our operators can actually get more revenue, be able to take care of more patients, and also increase patient satisfaction, which causes more business to happen. So I'd be happy to show you a couple of the
let's
features
see how it
of
works.
this. Kind of what makes this chair special is a couple of things. Number one is the ability to transfer patients in a very nice flat manner, just like this. We're able to position the chair by raising it up so you can actually move somebody from a bed or from an imaging table or from a dialysis chair much, much easier. And this is much safer than trying to do any kind of lifts or Hoyer lifts or anything like that, or just pick somebody up and move them. This is a lot easier to be able to transfer somebody in. So by being able to do that, once we get them in the chair, we drop down their center of gravity again. So this is operated by one person instead of two, like you would see in a typical stretcher situation.
Well, you have to employ two people to deliver that service. Now you can do it with one person.
Now you can do it with one person instead of two
That's
people,
cool.
which is just like
Big
a regular
cost savings
wheelchair.
straight away.
Absolutely. But the nice thing is we can put this patient in whatever position that we want to make them even more comfortable, which also, as they increase patient satisfaction, helps the operator achieve higher quality results, which causes more demand for their services. And that's what we're hearing from a lot of the operators that use this chair.
So the reason I found you guys and wanted to share this with our audience and with our customers is because I haven't seen a wheelchair turning into a stretcher like this before. Is that just me that hasn't seen it, or is this unique?
Well, we've been doing it now since 2011, as a matter of fact, is making chairs that do this that are also safe to tie down inside of a van. This is our latest version of this chair, which has some increased capacity on weight, and it has the ability to turn in place with another device, and it has a lot of features that are really geared towards the non-emergency medical transportation industry, even more so than our previous models.
Okay, very, very cool. Now, let's talk business, okay?
Yes.
If you have a chair, if you're an NEMT company, and you now take a chair like this on board, which is an investment, you're an equipment investment like anything else, like a vehicle, like anything else. What can you then go for in terms of trips that you may not have been able to contract for previously? What can you now say to the broker, I'm now available to do?
So that's a great question. What we're seeing a lot of our operators that use this chair do is they're doing a lot more patient discharges from hospitals and facilities. They're doing a lot more long distance transports that you simply cannot do comfortably either in a basic wheelchair or in a stretcher position. And there's a lot of specialized transports that happen with this kind of chair. Like I said, dialysis, imaging, things that just don't translate well to some of the other versions of chairs that are available out there. So that's where an operator can distinguish themselves by being able to cover a lot of these things that just they couldn't do before.
And, okay, so you invest in the chair. You now, for the price of the chair, you now are able to contract out for a much, much, much higher value trip. Pays for itself,
yes.
Make more money, reinvest in more chairs, more vehicles, and scale your NEMT business.
Everybody wins.
Everybody wins. How do people find out about this? How do they talk to you directly, Ed?
So the easiest way to reach us is on our website at www.brodaseating.com. That's BRODA. Easy to find us. Just look for a Broda chair and you'll find our website. You'll find this chair available, and we're happy to help you and help determine your needs and get you all set up with this.
Okay, super. So we will share a link with this as well, and you make sure that you let Ed know that you heard from us, iCabbi Move AI, and that is our top tip for today.
Thank you.